Begin by sitting in a comfortable position, seated or lying down on your back. If you feel tension in your back or shoulders before starting this meditation, release it by rolling your shoulders away from your ears in gentle moves. Roll your head one side and then the other. When you find the tension is easing away, then place your hands facing up on your lap. If you're lying down, then extend them on each side of your body, palms facing up. Uncross your legs to allow the healing energy to flow through your body. Take a few deep breaths in and out. Let the air expand through your lungs and release the tension out. Exhale. That's it. Do it at your own pace. Once you feel ready, it is time to start closing your eyes. Allow your mind to find a quiet place. And if you hear external noises, simply let them pass. Your mind might wander and get distracted by your thoughts. That's okay. Be a witness of those thoughts. This is your moment to be present. Visualize now a beautiful, bright light entering from the top of your head, the crown chakra. Connect with the universe and experience oneness through the light of love. This pure white shining light has a powerful healing energy. Let the light run through your head to your middle point between your eyes, the third eye chakra. The light is helping you to open your intuition and your imagination. Allow the feeling of awareness to guide you down to your throat. Your throat chakra can be out of alignment if you have been under work stress and you have been keeping your feelings trapped in yourself. The healing light is now unlocking your talents and opening your ability to speak your own true self. The radiant light is now allowing you to become who you truly are. Keep scanning down and see how the healing light is reaching your heart. Healing is needed here to teach you love and compassion at its deepest level. The light is giving you self-love. This is the most powerful healing that one can receive. Forgive yourself. Forgive it all. The bright light knows where to go. Let it flow. Gently reaching your stomach area where the solar plexus chakra is located, also known as the second brain. Notice how the light is embracing and restoring your self-esteem and confidence. Feel now how a beautiful and radiant, throbbing ball of pure white light is dissolving all the blockages in your sacral chakra, just below your belly button. The energy here is working on creating a spark of enlightenment to find your own creativity, sexual energy, and emotions. Notice how the tightness and pressure is now released and replaced by this wonderful and positive radiant light. The glowing healing light is now reaching your root chakra at the base of your spine, the pelvic floor. The intelligent, vibrant energy knows you need to be grounded and guided for you to be connected to Earth. Your root chakra might need extra healing if it is unbalanced, or you feel the need to be controlling. If you get easily angered with lack of motivation and self-esteem, let the pulsing light cleanse it all, allowing the healing to bring you a new restored self-confidence, new sense of stability and security, making you feel relaxed and at ease. The healing is now connecting you to your higher self. You must let go of your fears and need of control in order to surrender your power to your higher self, allowing you to feel safe, protected by Mother Earth. Feel this new powerful energy cleansing you, healing you, enveloping your whole body. You might notice a new tingling sensation running through your head to your eyes, your stomach, your arms, legs, feet, and toes. It is okay. It is all part of the healing process. Let it flow. Have you noticed how your body is feeling now? Notice how your vibration has evolved into a higher frequency. You are now more aligned and connected to the energy source. Remember, you can always return to this feeling of well-being, peace, love, and compassion whenever you need it. Now, you can remain here as you are right now, or slowly come out. Wiggle your toes, hands. Softly open your eyes. You are now back to your new self. Thank you for joining me today. Wishing you all a beautiful rest of the day.